Hello, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie, and today I'm going to give you 10 of my favorite tips and tricks for around the house. Now, some of these I have done a whole video about these before, so you might catch some of those, but there are quite a few new ones. And there are quite a few new ones that I do all the time, and I just haven't put them on YouTube yet. But I thought I would share these 10 tips and tricks with you. Now, these are for things all around the house, and I hope that you're looking forward to seeing this. I know I was really looking forward to making this video. There's a lot of little things that I do around the house that I'm hoping will help you as much as they have helped me to just get things done a little easier or faster or more efficient. And so let's get started.
So one of the things I'm not too keen about doing is cleaning the bathtub, and it seems like it needs it constantly. But one of my friends had suggested to clean the tub with Clorox or Lysol or a toilet bowl cleaner, and I tell you, this cleans it just really well. I have not had trouble with it. I clean it actually pretty regularly compared to what I used to. And so I have found that to be one of the easiest ways and fastest ways to clean the tub. One of the most annoying things to do is to grab the toilet bowl brush and it's soaking wet from the time before. So what I have found from another YouTube channel that I watch is just brush out the toilet bowl and then set your brush up under the lid and let it sit and dry. Another great bathroom tip is to keep all of your bath supplies in a basket. My husband and I have been doing this for quite a few years now, and I absolutely love it. So simple. When I want to take and give my son a bath, I just grab the whole basket. It's got his toys, it's got his soaps, everything in it, and I can just give him a bath and then put it back when I'm done. Probably one of the best and cheapest fabric softeners that I use is just simple white vinegar and a few drops of essential oil. I put it right in the spot where my fabric softener would go, and it goes right through the washing machine, and it does a great job. I know Marie Kondo is pretty popular, and it's gotten very popular as of late, but I have been folding my clothes like this for quite a while, and so my biggest suggestion if you're wanting to save on space is to fold all of your clothes like a file system where they can sit up in the drawer instead of laying flat in the drawer, because you will spend less time looking for your clothes. You will be able to see everything that you have. It will just make it a whole lot easier when putting clothes away and pulling clothes out. And so that is my suggestion for when you're folding clothes. It looks so much better when you put them in the drawer. I have been storing my towels like this for quite a long time. My husband actually started this. We just roll our towels, we fold them in half and then roll them right down and put them in a bin, and it looks very eye-pleasing as well as just super easy to do. I also do my hand towels the same way. This is by far the best way to store kids' socks. I usually clean them in a garment bag like this. But when I'm storing them, I will take the pair of socks that I'm going to put together, and I will take a clothespin and I will clothespin them together. It saves the socks. It saves so much time when you're looking for them. So much easier. One of the things that can be rather revolting is a smelly garbage can or diaper pail. So what we have done, we take baking soda and we fill up a little jar and we dump that down inside there, and it keeps it nice and fresh for quite a long time. We live in an area where there are lots of coats and hats that are needed, and so what I like to do is I have a hook that goes on the wall, and I store all of my son's hats and his coats and bags right there in his bedroom. This is my biggest tip because it has helped my husband a lot, and that's to tag everything. Whatever you have that can be tagged, tag it, because your spouse, whatever, they will thank you later. My husband absolutely loves that I have done this with pretty much everything in our house. He's so thankful that I have put tags on pretty much just about everything because he can find then what he's looking for.
So I hope these tips were a big help to you. I know all of them have been such a big help and made things more productive in my home. Some of them have just relieved stress in my home. And so I hope that you can benefit from them as well. If you are new to this channel and you would like to keep watching, you can hit that red subscribe button down below, and you can follow me all the way through all of this decluttering that I've been doing over the past few weeks. I'm kind of taking 2019 and just kind of getting rid of stuff, purging things. There still will be crafts, there still will be how-to videos, there's going to be videos like this as well throughout the year. I just want to make the whole year just kind of focused on trying to get rid of stuff. So there will be quite a few videos on getting rid of things in my home. It's not perfect, but it's also better than it could be. And I'm trying to get rid of stuff. So if you would like to join me on that, you can hit that red subscribe button down below, and you can hit a little bell if you're on a mobile device, and you can be notified anytime I upload a video. So for those of you who have watched this, I hope you will give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and then you can leave comments down below. Let me know some other little tips that are real simple to incorporate, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.